What time is it? It's tool time. I'm Rob, this is Venturi Fab, and on Tuesdays we go over tools. Usually tools that I'm currently in the middle of using right now, like today's. So currently, I am going through and doing a whole bunch of heavy duty electrical on my Blazer. We're adding dual batteries and all sorts of stuff that goes with that. So I'm needing to crimp a lot of really big cables. And you need special crimpers when you do that. You can't use your normal crimpers that you use for doing like automotive, like small wires, right? So there's two kind of main styles of doing these. There's ye old hammer style, where you put your lug in, so you get your cable into here. You insert it into this little V groove, like that. You bonk it with a hammer. I've done them this way for years. It pinches it all right in the middle. I've done it that way for a long time. It works. It's not the prettiest, and it's really not the best crimp. It just kind of pinches it down in the middle. I've wanted to get a set of these for a while. I've used them at work forever. But these have adjustable jaws, so you can size them to the size wire that you're using. Let's get these here. We're doing 2 gauge. And what these do is you put your terminal in there, and then let's see if you can see, it crimps it from 6 sides and compresses the whole terminal onto your wire. So also with bigger wire, normal like side cutters aren't going to cut it as good. You want actual cable cutters. I have 2 different styles here. This is a Weiss set. This is the iCrimp set, the same as these pliers. They came together with the crimper. So normal cutters don't cut the big cable as easily as these do. So if you tried to do that with like just your regular side cutters or something, it's going to fray this and not cut. It just makes a mess. For actual crimping this, you only need to crimp it as far as this is going to go in here, right? So we only need to crimp it to right about here. My favorite way for cutting big gauge cable stuff is just with a box cutter. So we'll work it around. Helps if you have an actually sharp blade. There we go. So as normal, you know, you're going to twist your braid together. We already loaded this into here. So you're going to insert your cable into that. And then all you got to do is squeeze them down like that. And now you're crimped on 6 sides. A lot of times this style will do kind of a point on one side. So if you need it to knot or to clean that up, you just reset them in there, turn it a little bit so that it's on a different spot. Crimp them one more time. And then that cleans that up. So I typically like doing a stack of 2 of these. I want to line them up so that they look pretty. Crimp. And then on top of that, you just put your heat shrink it down, and you're good to go. So I'll have a link to the description, or I'll have a link in the description to all these different styles. We'll have a link to this style. We'll have a link to this style if this is what you want. They both work great. I think these ones are a little bit more of a secure crimp. And remember, if you don't get started making excellent electrical connections, you'll never get finished.